When considering Tipalti for your accounting needs, here are 12 key things you should know before making a purchase. While it's one of the top platforms in the industry, there are some important factors that could make or break your decision. So, stick with me as we dive into this. The first thing to note is that Tipalti specializes in automating the accounts payable process. It streamlines payments to vendors and suppliers across different currencies and regions. If you're running a global operation, this is a major advantage over competitors like QuickBooks or Xero, which tend to focus more on general accounting rather than global payment automation. Next thing, Tipalti offers integration with a variety of ERPs, CRMs, and other financial tools. This is key if you're looking to keep your accounting processes seamless. It supports systems like NetSuite, Oracle, and SAP, making it a solid choice for larger businesses that already rely on these platforms. If you're using software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, integrations are available, but they might not be as smooth or as extensive as Tipalti's. The third thing to consider is its user interface. Compared to other platforms, Tipalti's design is more focused on efficiency for finance teams. While some accounting software like Xero may have a more user-friendly design for smaller teams, Tipalti's interface is built with high-volume transactions in mind, making it ideal for businesses managing thousands of invoices and payments. The fourth thing to know is that Tipalti simplifies the global payment process. If your business deals with international suppliers, Tipalti allows you to make payments in over 190 countries, covering a variety of payment methods, including ACH, Wire, and PayPal. This is a step ahead of competitors like QuickBooks, which has more limited global payment options. The fifth thing is Tipalti's compliance and tax reporting features. It handles tax forms like W-9 and 1099s for the US, as well as VAT compliance in Europe. For businesses that need to meet a variety of compliance standards globally, Tipalti's robust system is hard to beat, offering more comprehensive tax features than platforms like Xero or FreshBooks, which may require additional integrations. Next thing, Tipalti has an intuitive approval workflow that allows finance teams to control how payments are approved and processed. This is a huge advantage over competitors like PayPal, where there's less control over the payment approval process. Tipalti's workflow can help prevent fraud and ensure proper checks and balances are in place. The seventh thing is its payment reconciliation system. Tipalti automatically reconciles your payments with bank statements, making it much easier to track financial activity. While platforms like QuickBooks offer similar features, Tipalti takes automation to another level, saving more time for finance departments. The eighth thing to consider is its scalability. As your business grows, Tipalti's platform can scale with you. It's designed to handle large volumes of transactions and suppliers, so whether you're a small company just getting started or a multinational corporation, Tipalti can keep up. Other platforms like Xero might not have the same capacity for rapid growth. The ninth thing is its fees. Tipalti operates on a subscription pricing model, and while it's generally seen as a premium service, the price may be a barrier for smaller businesses with limited budgets. For those looking for more affordable options, software like FreshBooks or QuickBooks may be more suited to your needs, especially if your business is just starting out. The 10th thing to keep in mind is Tipalti's customer support. Tipalti offers 24/7 support, but the level of customer service can depend on your subscription tier. Larger companies tend to get more personalized service, while smaller businesses might find the support a little less responsive. Competitors like QuickBooks have a broader support network, but they may not be as specialized in global payments. The 11th thing is the onboarding process. Tipalti offers training resources and a dedicated team to help with implementation, but some users report that getting everything set up can be time-consuming. If you're a smaller company or just getting started, platforms like Xero might offer a smoother onboarding experience with less setup time. The final thing is the reporting features. Tipalti offers detailed and customizable reporting options, making it easy to track payments, invoices, and taxes. However, if you're looking for more in-depth accounting features, you might need to pair Tipalti with another software